Hello students, today we are going to start with English 1, Poem 7, Topsy-Turvy Land. Now what is Topsy-Turvy Land? Topsy-Turvy Land means the land which is upside down, means which is the land which is very different from us, which is very different from where we are living. So let us see the poem. Have you ever thrown your school bag on your bed? Have you ever left your shoes and socks here and there? Have you ever played with your ball in your room? Does your room sometimes look like this? So this is introduction, that it is telling that this boy has thrown his bag on bed and he has thrown his socks and shoes here and there. Then he is playing in the room with ball and his room is all dirty. So it is telling that how does your room look. Now let us see the poem. The people walk upon their heads, the sea is made of sand. So now in this topsy-turvy land means the land which is different from us, the land which is upside down. So in this land it is telling that the people are walking upon their heads. Can you see in this picture? In this picture you can see this man is walking from his head. So in this land the people are walking from their heads, means they walk from their heads, not with their leg. The sea is made of sand. We know that how does the sea is made? From the water. But in this land the sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land, and the children are going to school at night. Here the children are coming to school in the morning, in the afternoon, but in this poem the children are going by night. The front door step is at the back, you are walking when you stand. So the front door step means, okay, the door of the room which should be at the beginning, means in the first, it is at back side. The front door of the room which is, see, our room's front door is in the front, but in topsy-turvy land the front door is at the back side. You are walking when you stand. So in topsy-turvy land when you are standing it means that you are walking. When you are standing idle it means that you are walking in topsy-turvy land. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land. So you can see this man is wearing his hat upon his feet. So in topsy-turvy land they are wearing their hat on their feet. We are wearing hat on our head, but they are wearing hat on their feet. And buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. So in topsy-turvy land the buses are walking on the sea, on the water. Means you can see here on the sea the buses are running, and this boy is running his boat on the street. Means the boats are running on the street and the buses are running on the sea. So in topsy-turvy land all the things are different from us. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand. So you have to pay money. If you buy nothing, you have to pay money. Means you are buying nothing, you are purchasing nothing, and then also you have to pay money in topsy-turvy land. For when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. So whenever you are going anywhere, it means that you are coming back. You are going and it means that you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. Means all the things are different from us, all the things are going wrong, means what we are doing here right at that time it is the things are going on wrong. So means all the things are upside down, different from us. So you see new words. Topsy-turvy means upside down. Pleasure means feeling of enjoyment, means enjoying, having pleasure. Grand means big. Great, fun means very big. So see the question answers. Where do children go to school in topsy-turvy land? So children go by night, means they are going to night in topsy-turvy land. In the poem, if buses travel on the sea, then where do the boats travel? How should it rightly be? So in this poem, if buses are traveling in the sea, then where are boats traveling? So boats are traveling in the streets, and correct is the boats should travel on the sea. The topsy-turvy land is very different from our land. Let's draw a comparison by filling in sentences wherever you are needed. So you have to compare over here topsy-turvy land and our land. In topsy-turvy land, people walk on their heads, but in our land, people walk on their feet. See here, the buses run on land. So in our land means here buses are running on land, but in topsy-turvy land buses are running on sea. In topsy-turvy land they wear their hats on feet, and here we wear hats on our head. See, boats sail in the sea. In our land boats are going sailing in the sea, but in topsy-turvy land boats are sailing in the street. People pay for what they don't get. In topsy-turvy land, people has to pay for what they don't get. But in our land, people has to pay for what they purchase, what they get. So here we are completing our poem. I hope you have understood it. Thank you.